everybody. Welcome to another edition of James Jam. Should I say ho, ho, ho? It's December, and I have a reveal and a true unboxing to show you today. Just thought I'd come on. The first thing I got from Coach. And I picked this up. It's a style I really like. I don't have any of it. And I really like the color. And I was really surprised because if you see any of my other things, I usually go for a lot of color. A lot of people have kind of more neutral colored bags. Like a lot of people have a lot of black bags. I have one black bag. A lot of people have this color. I don't have any until now. So what I got from Coach was this beauty. I think this is a Parker. I think that's the name. It's just gorgeous. I'm not usually a beige handbag girl, but something about this, I just fell in love. It's got the top handle. It's got kind of vertical quilting. It's super soft. It's got feet on the bottom. Got all of that. And then gold hardware. If you open it up, it has beautiful like microfiber lining and shoulder strap. It also has inside there's two compartments with a zippered compartment in the middle, and then there's also a kind of card compartment in the back, probably pretty hard to see. If you're interested, I can do a kind of like what's in my bag some point, but I just thought this was just adorable. I know that they still have them. I believe they still do. It's just from the outlet. And I think I paid just around $100 or so, $100 and some dollars for it. But I just love it. Yeah, Coach is not luxury, but they've really been up in their game. I love this. I love the simplicity of it, that it doesn't have logos plastered all over it necessarily, but I just love it. And to have it be a top handle and an adjustable shoulder strap, I think is just fantastic. And again, I finally now have a beige bag. I have a little black one too, and it's I think a Parker too, like a minimal one, but minimal, smaller, whatever. Yeah, but I just thought I'd show you guys, so I've been kind of saving this here just to show you. But yeah, the quilting is just super, super soft and nice leather. And yeah, I really, really like this. So I know they come in black and then this color, and I believe there's white, but I don't know, the beige just spoke to me, and first time for everything, beige usually doesn't speak to me. And it was really unique too. I thought I'd just show you here quick where the handles go on the bag. A lot of times they clip to the handles, which I suppose you could do. There's enough room here, but the strap itself was really made to go kind of behind the bag like that, and I really like that. I just think it sits nicer on the body that way, and a little bit different than a lot of the other bags I have. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys my most recent acquisition for a purse, and then the big reveal or unboxing. Ooh, let's see. It's still got my name and address on this side, so I don't really want to show it, but it is still sealed right here. So I'm going to pull the strip now. Just wanted you all to know it was a true unboxing. You can probably guess what it is. This side is so nice. Shows up. Lets you know what it is. To reveal this. This is just my paperwork for it, I'm sure. I was kind of hoping maybe I'd get the Christmas wrapping or anything, but I guess I didn't. But this item, I have been trying to get this item for over 2 years. I check on the website. I would say on average, the majority of days of each week I check, and usually twice a day. I have wanted this item. I have this item just in a different type, and it's very easy to get it if you would like it personalized and would like it monogrammed. But I fell in love with this pattern, and then, like I said, I have been trying and trying to get this, and it's never available, and says sold out, and didn't want to go the route of a personal shopper because I knew they still made it. So I kept at her, and I kept hoping, and even though I kept on hearing from other people that things were showing up on the website that don't normally show up, yeah, I was like, no, I'll never get it. But oh, I got some ribbon. So, love the box. You probably already can guess. If you know your Louis Vuitton, you'll know exactly what that sound is. I got the little mini pochette and the damierebene pattern. I have wanted this for so long. I have two in the monogram. They actually are both personalized. I fell in love with these. So after I got my first one personalized, I got another one personalized because I loved that you could pick the interior color and the exterior. So this does have the beautiful red inside of it and the little take codes. I tell you what they are, but this is still on the website. But I can't believe this. I was on about a week ago, and just love that too, the zipper. But I love the sound of the chain on there. I got smells too. I was on the website, and yeah, they were. It was about a few weeks ago I was on, and it said they were available, and I clicked on it, and it said item out of stock. So I was really disappointed. I figured it must have just been a fluke. And then, again, it was probably about a week ago I was on there, and I clicked on it, and it said unavailable. So I was about to go to bed that night, and something in me just said, check the LV website one more time. I did, and oh my gosh, it was available. I was like a crazy woman, just clicking add to cart and purchase, and because I just didn't want it to go away, and it didn't. Oh, I love this. Ever since I got the Speedy Bandolier 25, I have wanted one of these to go inside of it instead of the monogram. So, I can't even believe it. This baby is mine. I'm just kind of looking at it here. Looks like everything looks good on it to me. I just can't say enough things about it. Oh, look at how nice it goes to with my Parker. They just set that inside. They'd be so happy together. So yeah, just to give you an idea, this gives you a little bit better idea of the size than this Parker with seeing the pochette, little mini pochette there. Yeah, that's my reveal for today. I still can't believe it. I can't believe I have this. So, that's all I have to show you for today. I really appreciate you watching and stopping by. Please hit the subscribe button if you wouldn't mind. Also like this video if you want. Either way, I hope you enjoyed it and have a Merry Christmas if I don't make a video before then. But also, please always do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Bye.